Alright, what's up guys, this is Anish. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Boom. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make muscle building protein shake at home. So let's see our recipe. So guys, here we have our ingredients, okay. So first of all, you can see oats, okay. This is Sapola oats, you can take any oats, okay. And here we have our banana and 1 glass of milk. You can use any brand peanut butter, okay. So mixer. So this is the things, okay, which you need in this recipe. So पहिला जोडौँ हैन, अब Nepali भाषामा दिउँ न हैन. So we have fixed our mixer, okay. Now first of all, put 1 glass of milk. I like this kinds of mixing, okay. Other first of all they put oats, okay, then peanut butter, then banana, and then only put other things, okay, but I like to put like this. So 2 spoon oats, okay, here. So, first of all, I'll mix this, okay. So we have mixed our milk and oats, okay. So you can see. So now we'll put 2 banana. You need 2 spoon oats, okay, and 2 banana and 1 spoon peanut butter and 1 glass of milk. Then ready. Favorite food of all time. So now put little bit of water, okay, little bit of water. So now 1 spoon of peanut butter. People don't eat peanut butter during fat loss time, okay. You need to eat, okay. This is really healthy fat, really good, okay, for our body. If you want to fat loss, okay, then your overall calorie intake needs to be in deficit, okay. Or if you want to gain weight, then your overall calorie needs to be in surplus. So that's the things. So काम सुरु गरौँ फेरि. So guys, here we have our as it is whey protein, okay. If you put 1 spoon of whey protein, then its protein will be double. So ladami. If you have supplements, then it will help you in bulking also, in cutting also, okay. So if you want to buy this supplement, then link in the description, okay. Go and please visit and tell them my name, Anish Fitness. Then you will get some discount. Ladami. There you go. Or you can buy any supplements, okay. Any supplements which you like, okay. So there you go. So now I will put 1 spoon of whey protein. If you want to buy this, then link in the description, okay. Go and please visit. Okay, so now our protein intake will be double, okay. It's around 50 gram of protein, so this is really helps you, okay, in muscle building also, in fat loss also. So you can take this in pre-workout also, okay, but in post-workout don't take this, okay, because here we have our milk also, okay, which little bit slow digestion, okay? So take this in pre-workout. This is really good, or you can take this in your breakfast also. So stay here. So now we'll drink this. Boom. Cheers. So guys, this is how I make my protein shake, okay? I take this in my pre-workout, but you can take anytime, okay? So this is my muscle building protein shake. Hope you guys like, okay? So guys, in this protein shake, you will get 1000 calorie, okay, and around 50 gram of protein. So this is really good, okay, and this is really helps you in muscle building also, in bulking, in cutting also, okay? So please include this in your diet, okay? I love you so much. So this is the secret of muscle building, okay? Yeah. In bulking, you can take this in 2 times also. In a day, 2 times. Yeah. So hope you guys like our video. If you like, then please like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. People guys, love you all. Take care. This is Anish Fitness and Anish Fitness, okay? Behind the camera. Over and out.